Every space is unique. Now add custom cabinets and millwork, and that space becomes luxurious. From doors, floors, and trim to wall paneling, desks, and cabinetry, you can easily reimagine any room in your home. With over 50 years of experience, the design experts at Fedewa Custom Works stay ahead of all the newest design trends to help enhance your home's look and value.
Millwork is just anything out of wood in the house. Cabinets, trim, doors, built-ins, anything like that. The custom part is that you build it to fit in the space and the function. We do mostly high-end residential, and people know what they want, and that's the question. They just ask us, can you do this? 98% of the time it's yes, and then we commit to it, and then we figure out how we're going to build it.
What separates us from the rest would be our attention to detail and our quality. And our entire process is involved from working with the customer to see what they want. We're really good listeners, and we really go through your daily activities, your flow, the importance of your house, and we accommodate those needs through as much custom cabinetry as we can deliver. We do custom millworks, some trim, we do paneling, we do archways, we do anything that a designer that can come up with, we can build it. We're known in the market for being the people you call when other people will not accept the job because it's too detailed. We shoot for the stars.
Impressive artistry and outstanding functionality characterize every individual piece and project.
It starts with us sitting down with the clients, the interior designers, the architects, whoever it is, the builder, and we try to figure out what the scope is, what we want to do. And I get a feel for the client, and I listen very closely to what they're wanting. My goal is to try to get the picture that they've got some little snapshot in their head of what they want it to look like, where we can examine it, we can look at it, and they can say, aha, that's it, then we've done it, you know. And then it becomes just, it's a whole team thing.
Current trends that I'm seeing right now would be a lot of walnut, even more rift oak. Oak is very popular right now. We're doing a lot of contemporary style with a lot of flat panels. I would almost call it mountain contemporary because we're blending a lot of metals and woods into the cabinetry that we're doing. We're also seeing a big uptick in your neutral colors, as in grays, blues, and greens, but more on the beige or like the lighter matte style. We're doing a lot more hidden bookcases and even custom dog washes. I've seen that on the uptick recently. We really hone in on what you love to do, and we try to really build the cabinetry and the overall flow of the house around what you love to do.
Fedewa Custom Works has won multiple industry awards, and their work is in constant demand.
We decided to work with a local artisan and really have someone capture our vision of living in the mountains after so many years of city living and high-rise living. And I think when we started the relationship with Kevin and Austin, it was really something that was very authentic.
It was a very extensive process that we went through. They were really good at listening to us and eliciting from us how we were going to use the space, what our expectations might be, giving us feedback that was incredibly constructive on creative ways to solve some of the problems that we were presenting them with.
It is really a work of art in the sense that they've taken some natural products from the Colorado area and turned it into really just a palette of beauty. And the kitchen is the nucleus of our home, and I think it really typifies our vision and the fact that they're really good at what they do.
Our goal was to come out with a very special home that captures the beauty of the surroundings, the beauty of the materials, the colors that we prefer, and they nailed it.
This is one of the most enjoyable things that I can imagine doing. Seeing it when it's complete, it's stunning. It's so satisfying. I've got a group of 18 people that I work with at the shop. It's a fun atmosphere. So I've enjoyed all the time that I've been spending with my people.
To find out more about Fedewa Custom Works, visit fedewacustomworks.com and designingspaces.tv.